Just like if you're buying an existing business, if you're doing a startup, you want to make sure you have a qualified advisory team. You want to make sure you have an attorney that is well versed in business, the type of business that you're doing, legal structure, entity structure, things like that. So you want to make sure that your attorney understands the business you're in and practices that kind of law. You want to make sure you have an accountant that is well versed in the type of business that you're doing, that understands the type of structure that you need to have for your specific tax situation. And then you want to find people to be on your board of advisors, so you can either hire coaches and mentors, or you can find people that have been in the industry or the business that you are going into, and you can bring them on board as advisors for equity in the company, or maybe a small advisory fee that you pay them to help you along the way. So no matter what it is you're going to do, no matter what kind of business you're going to start, there's generally somebody in that industry or in that business who's successful, or somebody who's now retired, that will help you, can help you, and would be willing to help you. But you need to offer them something in exchange for that, either equity, compensation, or you just flat out hire coaches and mentors. Pretty much in every industry, every business, there are coaches and mentors in that business. Just make sure that if you're looking for a coach or a mentor, that they've done what you want to do, been where you want to be, or are where you're trying to get to, so that you've got somebody who's been there, done that, to help you. And that will definitely shortcut your path to success, keep you from making a lot of mistakes, and save you a ton of money. You have to invest in yourself and your business to be successful. Make sure you surround yourself with the right people, the right advisors, the right support group.